crying. The 30th full moon is soon be here, and your daughter must walk into marriage before it rises.
I know. I have counted the moons myself, isn't it? And it's pressing hard on me. But Adanaya, she has refused to open her heart. She does not love. She does not care. How do I bend a heart that resists?
Love is not needed. Only marriage and childbirth. The bloodline must run through the first before the younger one. You chose this path, daughter of power. But if they refuse, your bro will leave your body. And I believe you understand what that means.
I understand. I understand. Good, I'll bend fate. I'll bend hearts if it means dragging game. I will do the needful.
Place your hands inside. Let the power rise in your blood. And let the will flow through your palm. And let the man seize only the first daughter. And let the younger ones be denied.
The river bears as the hand wills it. The eyes follow the path of the mothers. The second will taste no joy before the first.
And remember, if the younger one resists the charm, the anger of the gods will strike anyone who stands in the circle.
I will not fail, even if the gods frown, even if the sky falls. I will not fail.
Daughter of the unfinished moon, we'll meet again.
Who are you? And why do you call me that? Child of Ojugu, the moon is counting. The time is no longer waiting.
You are the first daughter. Your mother works a part older than your village, a part you are born into.
What are you saying? I don't understand.
Your time is running. If you do not step into the marriage before the 30th full moon, your mother will fall and her light will die.
What are you saying? I don't understand.
The time is holding. The moon is holding.
I know I dreamt of something, but I cannot remember it.
Finally, she's awake. Meh.
You slept like a stone. The morning is almost ahead of you. Ada, your eyes are red. Did you not sleep well last night? Ada, what is it?
I do not know. You know, I dreamt of something. But it's like the wind. I could not hold it. I'm trying to remember.
Were you dreaming?
Yes. Yes, I was. I know I saw something.
Dreams are like smoke. If you do not hold it faster, it will go back to where it came from.
No.
Do not let it bother you.
No. I woke up with this fear in me. Like something is coming, and I am not ready.
Ada, whatever comes, we will fight together. Ada.
It's okay.
I will reach before you. Ada. You're walking like an old woman. The sleep beats you in your dream.
Something like that. My body is here, but my spirit is not here.
I know. Your mind is with one young man in this village.
Young man?
Mm-hmm.
Far from it. Marriage is not even in my thoughts.
I know. You do not have time for men. Even when they try talking to you, you do not listen to them. But me, I have time for them. Not too much, but just to know the right ones.
Uju, have you ever feel something pulling you away and yet you don't understand it?
Is it about the dream you cannot remember?
Yes. I woke up holding my chest. I heard a voice calling me, but when I woke up, the voice ran away.
Do not chase it. If the dream wants to return, then let it come back on its own. Ada, no matter what happens in life, you are my sister, my blood. Wherever we find ourselves, we will stand together.
Yes, we will stand together.
Let's go and fetch water.
Pitikatine Tiquatinotin. Tidatin Tissu Tinet Quatinetum. Aspetto. Tablet attacking the two. What did you have to look to go to Guatino? At the Biata Patigoti. What to get Mutigoti? Time is moving. Whether we follow it or not, it moves.
Adanaya,
Your steps must come ahead of others. It has always been your path. Your spirit hears me, even when your mind does not understand. Let her heart not wander. Let her feet not delay. Her time must not pass her. Adanaya, your time must not pass you. As I wish it, so it must be. Otibiti ventikulu tickets, the metune. Otimoti letunu tigati bati wetibiti ya. Otigetu na tiga. Naya biye. The time is at hand. Yes, it is. How come? So it shall be. It's good to take good bit here.
my heart feels lighter here. Save the water has taken some weight off my chest. Yes, we can stay here for a while and forget about house. Forget about what anyone might say. Forget about what the world might want. Just us. Do not sit here like a queen. The stream is for everybody, not just you and I. Oh, Joe. You make everything seem simple even when my heart is heavy. Whatever happens, I will stand by you. I will not leave you. You are my sister. Always. What would I have done without you? Okay, let's have a shot.
Udo jiri ndị na-aba ya. Ojemba enwilo obi dị ike. Ojemba enyi m nwoke. Kedu? I nwere ije? Arụ abaka. Ojemba no.
Anyway, I was just passing by. I say, let me greet my very good friend.
Ojemba no. Kedu ife a ga-eji wee na-atụbi ije?
Rapụgodo nke awa. A ga-achụwa ọkụkọ. Maka gịnị? Ejide na ọkụkọ ịta na ọkụkọ.
Hey! Makwa. Ojemba.
Man.
I came to your house.
And I'm sure you've forgotten. Yeah? I made a request for 2 gallons of palm wine, which you approved. I went to bring the 2 gallons. I met a brick wall. No palm wine. Huh?
Yes, you're right. I was told. But I sold all I had. Don't worry. The next market day, I will get you a fresh palm wine. Just accept my apology. Because anyway.
What do you expect? Of course, apologies are accepted. It's just that, as a good friend, if your friend places an order, please, keep to it.
Of course.
Don't disappoint.
Of course.
It's not all the time that you have customers that way. There must come some days when there may not be enough customers. See, you rely on those friends because they must come for Ingonko.
Okay, you are right. By the way, where is everyone?
The wife is in the kitchen. The children, I guess they went to get firewood for their mother.
Obidike, do you know what? The gods have really blessed you with 2 lovely daughters. Look at me. Unlike me, who has a son that is literally a drunk.
Ojemba,
You're my friend. I have 2 daughters. The gods really blessed me with them.
You have 1 son, and the gods really blessed you with that male child. Yeah? Have you seen? You have a male child, I have 2 female children. I am happy, you are happy. Stop complaining about your son being literally drunk all the time. The young man is trying very hard to keep to his father's habit. He has to drink as much as his father. If his father drinks 2 pots of palm wine, it doesn't affect him because he is a palm wine tapper. But the young man is not a palm wine tapper.
Obidike, are you trying to call me a drunk or?
You said so. I didn't say so. Keep your son away from those pots of palm wine anytime you're mixing your drink. It will be better for him.
I know you are joking. Is it because I did not bring your palm wine?
I know you are joking. Oh, Vidike.
Ikem, you have been quiet for some days. What troubles your heart? A woman, maybe?
No. No trouble. Just thinking about the future. A man mustn't wait while life passes him by.
Future, you say? Then what about love? Are you going to wait for it to seek you? Or will you go and seek for it?
No. I already know the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. She is kind and her laughter lifts the sun. When the time comes, I will ask for her hand.
Good. Good. You're a man of heart and mind. But be careful. Some hearts are tied, not with rope, but with something very dark. And do not let anyone to trick your eyes from what you truly love.
I will remember. Clearly. I don't know. Of energy.
Okay.
How can you be carrying this all by yourself? No one should allow a pretty queen like yourself carry a heavy load. Let me help you.
You
let me help you. Come. No, let me.
Do not worry. It is not heavy. I can manage.
And I am not complaining. As a matter of fact, why would I stand and watch you, my queen, carry this?
You talk as if nothing can harm me.
And nothing will harm you, my love. With me, by your side, not at all.
Okay. Obinna.
Let me be a gentleman now.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are you ladies going to?
We are going back to our hotel.
You're back. Oh, you girl. No, man, oh, you go, my wife. I tell you, the land smiles today. The soil is soft, like new yam. I tell you, it is going to give us plenty harvest this season.
When a woman's hand blesses a man, even the earth will open her belly with joy.
Sweet, sweet, sweet words. Sweet words from a sweet woman.
Maybe boo. Maybe boo.
Papa, the stream was full today. Even the fishes were playing in the river.
Yes, Nam. And I told Adanaya that the fishes can play joyfully without worries. I, Obianoju, will dance joyfully on my marriage day without worries.
Obianoju. Have you seen a suitor yet?
Nam, I was only joking. I don't mind her.
I think it's that Ikemefuna the hunter. I see the way they look at themselves.
Ada, you talk too much.
Now I've caught someone in the act. I see Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna is.
Yes.
And if he loves you, and actually wants an in, I can assure you that as your father, I'm not going to be in the way.
You don't speak like that, Obidike.
Hey, Ojugo, my wife. You know, I feel it, I speak it. That's me.
Nothing. Alright, you're right. Nothing.
I know that one melee. And they just gave me one cool cup. Huh?
Yes.
Oh, the Lord, you like the beyond. Oh, the Lord, oh, the Lord, oh, the Lord, you like the beyond.
When I heard that beautiful voice, I knew the singer is going to be as beautiful as the morning sun.
You love to hide and listen to people.
No, my love. I love to hide and watch only you sing.
You talk too much.
You can say that. When a man is in love, he can't help but speak uncontrollably from his heart.
I see. Yes, you are a hunter, yet you fear little water.
It's not the waters that I fear. It is what is inside it.
Tell me what is inside the water.
Your beauty. It glows. It overwhelms me. Yes. From the moment I saw you, the first time, I lost my sleep entirely.
Maybe the sleep walked into the bush.
And I'm here to find it. Beside you.
You talk like palm wine. Sweet at the beginning and strong when it gets into the heart.
Then allow me enter your heart. My words, every bit of it. And as you can see, I'm ready to meet your father. Yes.
For what?
To ask for your hand in marriage. I want to have you all to myself. I want to sleep day and night knowing that you are by my side. So when is it going to be?
I need to talk to my father first.
Then hurry and tell your father. I can't wait.
Uju. Even... Why are you laughing? Tell me. What did Ikem say this time?
Okay, fine, I will tell you.
What? Fine. He said he wants to come and speak with Papa.
About what?
He wants to ask for my hand in marriage.
He said that?
Yes, he did. He said he can no longer hide it.
I am happy for you, my sister. Oh, you are lucky. Ikem is a fine man.
You say it's like you do not mean it.
I do. Just that I think Mama will not like him.
Then Papa will give us his blessings. Papa says he likes the whole...
What are you two whispering about?
Nothing, Mama. We're just talking about tomorrow's market.
Tomorrow's market, you said? And your face is shining like oil.
Or you think I don't know when a woman's heart is not empty?
Mama, like to suspect us?
Suspect? I am your mother. I don't sleep.
Did you notice the way Mama looked at us?
Do not worry. That's how Mama always look at us, so.
So, about Ikem.
What?
Stop.
Papa Teo.
Ikem.
Papa.
Ikem, yara. Banana. Oh. No. Ikem. No, no, ding one. No, day. Hey. Ikem. No. I knew you right from when you were small. Yeah?
No.
You walk and you talk like a man who knows what he wants.
Gavin.
So speak. What brings you to my heart?
No, my heart is no longer mine.
Nane?
I have found favor in one of your daughters.
See.
Obianuju, to be precise.
Obianuju.
Yes.
Obianuju has been a blessing to this family. Yes. May your coming bring more blessing to this family.
See.
Come do we have at top?
Somebody.
You know him. Ikem, the son of Omega. Ikem has come to ask for the hand of your daughter.
Dusi.
Ikem, you're here? My sister Venijid has been talking about you since morning.
Ikem, you finally came. I've been waiting for you since morning. Ikem. Ikem. Are you not happy to see me?
Yes, I'm here to see Papa. Yes, Papa.
Yes, of course. To see me.
Yes.
Now, let the men talk. You will never understand what they're talking about. Why don't you go fetch water so that our guests will have something to drink?
Obianuju. Do what your mother has said.
Ikem, you're welcome.
Do what your mother has just asked. Hey, Adugo, please bring a cup for us.
I'll do that.
Hey.
No. He cannot just start giving me attitude.
Just like that. No. Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
Ikem!
Ikem. I've been calling you.
Obenji, why are you here?
Ikem. Did I offend you? You look at me as a stranger.
You haven't answered my question. Why are you here?
That is because my heart cannot rest. Ikem, what have I done to you? Why do you push me away?
Listen, I've been thinking. There are things I need to do. I don't want to see you around here. People will talk.
Jim, when did you start caring about what people say about us? Kim, did they do anything to anger you?
Obianuju, I don't know how to say this, but my heart no longer burns for you.
You are lying. This is not you. You can look into my eyes and tell me the truth. Look into my eyes and tell me the truth.
Okay, Obianuju, listen, shouldn't make this any harder. My part is no longer with you. There's this energy, there's this thing I can feel pulling me elsewhere. Trust me, I can feel it.
To Adonai. So this is what love has become. A spell that changes with the moon. Ikem, if truly there is something that is tying your heart, I, Obianuju, will go. No matter how deep it is, I will make sure I break it. Even if it means going through fire, I will.
I still see her face. I still see her face. There's something about her that I still feel in my heart, but my heart is somewhere else.
Adannaya.
Mama,
You look troubled. Talk to me, my child. What is the problem?
I don't know, Mama. I had a dream. I was standing by the stream. Ikem was there. He smiled at me. When I tried to move away, the ground held my feet.
You know, dreams are the language of the gods. Maybe your spirit has to say or behold what your eyes are yet to see.
Why, Ikem? Obianuju loves singing so much. I have seen the way she looks at him. It cannot be the reason why her laughter dies. Mama, I think I should travel on Upo Market Day.
No, don't even go there. You cannot stop what has already begun.
Mama, you sound as if this is destiny.
Perhaps. It's meant to be that way. Ikem was never meant for your sister. Do not harm yourself so much, my daughter. Huh? You see, at times, that which looks or seems wrong might be the way to peace.
If I lose my sister's love, what do I have left?
My daughter, blood can be mended, but not destiny. Now go on, my daughter. Take some rest. When the sun reaches the middle of the sky, go back to the stream. Perhaps the dream would explain more. The roots has taken water. By this time next moon, love should be where it should not. Let the second daughter learn patience from pain. Yes. Thunder, carry it well. Carry it well. The gods of the mothers has awoken again.
Ikem, what is bothering you? Since I came here, you have not said anything.
Obinna, I don't know. I've not rested since last night. I've been seeing Adannaya instead of Obianuju in my dreams. I can feel this energy pulling me closer to her.
Adannaya, the first daughter, who will come off it? You better stop this thought before it grows wings. Everybody in this village knows you and Obianuju. You people are like moon and night.
I know. I still tell myself the same thing. Every time I wake, her face is all I see. I even tried to pray to the gods this morning, but I couldn't stay focused. I've been confused. My heart is scattered all over the place, Obinna.
Maybe it is just a dream. See what you're going to do. You are going to go and visit Obianoju. You are going to hold her hand. Look into her eyes. Whisper some good words into her ear. You will listen to her. Maybe after that, everything will be peace.
I just hope so. I really hope so, Obinna.
Do you even have any palm wine in this house?
What about food? Yam and oil. What do you have now? I'm very hungry. I'm coming. Let me.
This is where we meet every morning. The sun is out, yet Ikem is not here. Ikem that I know cannot stay for a long time without seeing me.
No one can stop the wish of the gods. The evil you plan can never come to pass. The power of the
Maybe
can
I
never
have
be
offended him.
reversed. No power can shade true love.
Maybe I said something wrong.
No matter how hard you try,
I feel like
what we be must be.
something has taken it away from me.
What we be must be. No matter how hard you try, what we be must be. What we be must be. Hapurumu love more.
Spirits of this land, if I have done anything wrong, if there is anything I have done wrong that is making me to pass through what I am going through right now, please forgive me. Please do not mock me. Please bring back Ikem. Bring back the man that makes my heart to feel so much joy. Please. I cannot live without him. I cannot move around without him. He is the only one that gives me joy.
The sun rises quietly today, as if it knows the heart that waits. Perhaps Ikem will come today.
Adamnaya, my first daughter.
The blood of our lineage runs through you.
Then ancestors have chosen a path for you and for our family to continue. You must obey the call of destiny. Yes, you must. Ikem is not yours yet, but he will be. You have to open your heart and love him with everything in you. Love him and let your love for him be deeper than the roots. Yet, even the river that feeds this land. Yes, it's not ordinary. It is the call of destiny.
Mama, I feel this warmth in my heart. As if something is pulling me and I cannot fight it. I only see him. I see.
Yes, my daughter. Do not fight it. Let the fire push you towards him. Don't resist it. He is yours. And he's bound to be. The first must shine. And that's you. You have to shine. Yes. The first must shine. So don't fight it, my daughter. Please.
Mama said the first carries the blessings. Let the gods guide her path. The gods have made me feel this way. They have chosen me, my heart. Or am I foolish to feel this way? If the gods chose him, let them guide his step. Let him see only me.
I will not wait any longer. I will not let this continue. Ada, you will not take Ikem. You will not bend his heart. Mama, you will not control his heart anymore.
So instead of helping me, you are standing there mocking at me.
Okay, that's not what I meant. What kind of a man would I be if I allow my queen to carry a wood heavier than she is? Don't worry, my love. Let me do it. You see? That's how real men do. Which way?
So you still remember your promise of marrying me?
Even if the sky turns red, I will never forget, because it is written all over my heart, and you I will spend the rest of my life with. So, let's go.
Thank you for loving me.
May the gods be praised. Okay, so let's go. So, will this be okay?
No, I'll carry that one on my head. You carry another one. I may.
Okay, all right.
Take it. You break the water.
Then let. See, just leave it for me. Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
But just know that I can afford to buy tens and hundreds of this even if I break it. Okay?
Ikem, I know. Give me the sword.
No. This one is dangerous. If you don't handle it well, you can hurt yourself. So
Ikem, I will not hurt myself. I will only hurt animal, bush meat.
my God. No. Then you shouldn't play with that. It's not to be played with.
Okay. How do you hide?
However, this bro. Annie, let me tell you. So we don't have to go carrying pots again because we have people to serve us and I'll treat you like my friend that you are.
Wait, so who is going to be fetching water for us?
We have people that will serve us. I mean, you don't have to go and fetch water anymore. We will have people to serve us.
Okay, but don't you think it will make me to be lazy?
Whatever. So long as you, my friend, you are happy and I'll guide you. Look. You will hurt yourself. You will hurt yourself. Come, yeah. Come, you will hurt yourself. Do you want to shout?
Leave me.
Do you want
If
to
you don't
scream?
leave me, I will.
Scream. Go back there. Scream. Tell the whole world. Tell the villagers. Tell the community that I want to steal your heart.
No.
Come here. Oh, I love you.
I love you so.
You mean the whole world. Oh. Go around the village and celebrate you, my love.
Are you here?
I caught you already. No.
Look at what I got for you. A little meat. Very special for you.
You went hunting today.
Yes, I went hunting, but that was yesterday night. And I got you this special pork pie. This will serve you till next market day. I mean, till my next big game.
Oh, I know you will go for hunting tomorrow.
Yes, I will go hunting, but not tomorrow. But for you, I will go every day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let me rush to my hut.
And I'll guide you, my love. After you.
So after all these promises, Ikem looked at me as a stranger. I need to go and meet him once again. I
I need to hear from him again. Nam, something is not right with Ikem. Yes. His eyes, his words. He does not even look at me like he always did.
Obianuju, I don't know what you're saying. As far as I know, Ikem is a good boy. Maybe he's flustered and maybe distracted, yes, from hunting.
No, Papa. No, Papa. This is more than being distracted from hunting. Papa, the way he looks at me. Fine, he even came to the hut to see Adanaya. Papa, he has changed completely. I don't know. I feel something. Or someone is controlling him, Papa. Yes.
Controlling him?
Yes, ma'am.
Controlling. Obianuju, that's a rather strong word to use. So, who is controlling him? Who?
Mama. Mama has been sneaking out every night. And these days, she smells more. But I have these strong feelings that she is behind all this. Yes. I believe she charmed him with her eyes. But I saw the way Ikem could not resist her.
This is really very distressing, to say the least. I mean, it's difficult for me to know how to react to this. I mean, Ojuko.
Yes.
Your mother.
Yes.
Is my wife. And I trust her. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't understand.
Fine, Papa. I don't. I will fight. I will not let her take Ikem away from me. I will not let anyone take what is rightfully mine.
Ojugo.
Kedu ibe na mere nwanya?
You called.
Ojugo. Obianuju
told me something. I spoke extensively with Obianuju, and he said so many things. Now, do you...
Obianuju said what?
Obianuju. What did Obianuju say?
Kedisive kebe mwako. Wakonive.
You said she said?
She didn't really say much, but nothing at what she said.
Itigati biati ni tukuti ni tifoti biati jutunu tikuti letane. Ati biati ni titi tisetese.
Obina.
Would you?
Then because I met you here, I was on my way to your heart. Obina.
What is this?
I do not have any other person to run to, please.
You look troubled as if the wind carries your fear. What is it?
Obina. It's Ikem and Mama. Mama has done something to him. She has done something wrong to him. I don't know the kind of magic she uses on him. Ikem cannot talk to me freely again. I do not know. I believe he is under her powers. Yes.
I've seen it. Unnatural power grips him. I noticed the way Ikem obeys her order without any thought. And I fear her power have also gripped your father.
Yes. Yes. But my father cannot see it. He sides my mother every time. Even when I try to tell him that something is wrong, he does not see it. I do not know, Obina. We need to act fast. Because I do not want Mama to take Ikem away from me. I do not want anything to happen to Ikem, please. What can we do?
We need to do something about it very fast.
What?
See, there is a seer. A very powerful native doctor, far from here. Yes. And he has battled many powerful witches before. If there is anyone that is going to break our charm, I think he's the one. Yes.
I am ready. Obina, I am ready. We need to go and meet him. I do not want Mama to take Ikem away from me. And I do not want Ikem to be trapped forever. Please. If we waste time, things might go wrong. I know my mother. Anything she cannot control, she will completely destroy it. Please, if there is anything if there is anywhere we can go to break this spell, please let us go. I want this charm to be broken. I want to have my Ikem back to myself. Please.
Then we leave at first light. We will prepare. Got everything we need. Because the journey we are about to take is a very dangerous one. But with courage and strength, we will prevail.
Fine.
I'm about to go and see someone. Let's go in.
Thank you very much, Obina. Okay, thank you.
What am I going to do? How do I tackle this? Problem is not monumental. What do I do. My wife, Ochuko. My own wife. A woman I loved, trusted, married with my own blood oath. If she trammels up everything and readies to destabilize me, what kind of a man am I to sit and stand idle? What kind of a person will I be? If I fail, if I decline to fight, if I fight and I lose, maybe Ikem will be lost. Can I afford to suffer that loss? That monumental disaster? No. I cannot. I am caught between two wide seas. I shall get prepared. I shall.
You came, my friend. I was actually coming to your hut. You came. You came. I said, hey! Bam. Something is wrong somewhere. I need to go and see the seer. You came. Hello, man. Ujujumwa. I'm going to see you.
Adonai.
Ikem, listen to me. Fight it. Do not allow them to take you away from me. Do not allow them to control your heart. Ikem, remember. Remember me. Remember us. Remember everything. Remember the love we shared. Remember the promises you made. You can fight it. Do not allow her to win you. Fight it. Fight for me. Fight for your love. Fight for our love. Do not allow her to win. No, Ikem. Ikem, fight. Ikem, do not allow her to turn your heart away from me.
Adanna.
Ikem. Ikem. Obin, let's go. Ikem.
Ike adagokwa.
Ikem. Ikem, listen to your heart. Ikem, as your heart beats for me. Ikem, your heart is beating. I can feel your heart. I can feel the love. You still think about me.
Adanna.
No, Ikem, it is Obianoju. Ikem, this spell must be broken. Obina, let's go to the sea.
Let's be going.
Let's go.
Bye! Ikem. Adanna. Nwoke anọzikwa no. Ikem. Let's go. Let's go.
Adanna.
Iye neme o, iye neme.
Adanna.
Obi abawa mo, lego ye foro na ya.
Ikem.
Adanna. I've come to ask for your hand in marriage. But God bless our union. I've come that if you accept and the gods approve, I'll devote my time to make sure you're happy.
Ikem, I'm ready.
No one can stop the wish of the gods.
I see the trade. The heart bound by magic. Ojigo's power is strong, but not stronger than the gods that watches over us. We will fight for what we lost, for what was stolen from us. The power that binds the innocents, and true love will be restored.
Seer, I will not let anyone take my love away from me. I will not allow his heart to be controlled by my mother. I will not let anyone take my love away from me.
If I fail, I lose everything. My life, my love, my future. We must act fast. We must fit.
Yes, we will go together, and the gods will guide us. The chain will break. Yes, it will break. And the truth must rise. Ojugo's power, her dark ways, would never stand against us.
Ancestors of the land, witness this evil. Let the hearts that have been bound by darkness be freed. Let the light of love burn away the shadows of witchcraft. Let love, pure and true, rise above deceit and lies.
We will not fear you, Ama.
Your spell, your powers will not hold.
Ikem, I will bring you back, and no power can tear us apart.
Mama, I know what you have done. You have taken Ikem twisted heart. But I will not allow this to continue. I will not allow you to control love with fear or powers.
Child, you are brave, but foolish. The first must take her place in the lineage, and it is mine to guide. You cannot stop what has been written. The blood obeys, and the heart bends. You are young. Yes, you are. But you do not know the truth about power.
I will not wait. The fear will destroy your spell. No matter your strength, no matter your powers, no matter your coven, no charm, no magic, no fear can control that which is truly mine.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Where is Obenuju?
I do not know.
I need to see how my heart it struggles. I cannot. The memories, every memory I've shared with her. Where is every laughter?
This is me, Adanaya. Adanaya.
Look, Obenuju.
Ikem! Ikem!
It's
Ikem, you must focus. The path ahead of you is rough. It is the path of truth. Do you feel the chains that binds you? They are not yours. Her power twists your heart. Her eyes inside of you, deep inside of you, the true heart still beats. And that heart knows me. That heart knows our love.
I feel torn in every direction. But when I close my eyes, I remember us. I remember the laughter, the times we played around the tree, the promises we made. But a part of me feels lost. Something about her eyes pulls me close. A part of me feels lost, like a river diverted by a dam.
Fear is natural when evil power grips you, but your heart remembers. It knows the truth. Just trust the seer. Trust him. He is going to break her weaving.
Her chains that is tied to your heart. Just believe in him. Believe in the bond you share with Obianoju. Your love will shine brighter. Brighter than any darkness.
Ikem, hear me. Remember the first time you laughed at me under the tree? Remember the days we ran barefoot? The sweats, the dust, the meat you brought for me when I was hungry. None of that is gone. It still remains in our soul. Please, do not let her take what was never hers to touch. Please, I beg of you. Please, Ikem. Focus your mind.
Ojugo, hear me. You have defiled the heart of the innocent. You have twisted the will of men and women for your greed. Your powers might bind them now, but it cannot stand before divine justice. Release what you have stolen.
Foolish mortal. How dare you speak of divine justice to her that commands the blood of her linen? The first must rise. No mortal, no seer, no mortal, no God can stop that which has been woven by blood and spirit. None can stop it. Did you get that?
Ikem, listen to me. Do not allow her spell to hold you any longer. Do not allow her spell to hold you forever. Remember all the good times we shared together. Remember how we go to the stream together to fetch water. Remember how we go to the bush together to fetch firewood. Remember everything. Remember how we played together. Ikem.
Now listen. The first must rise. The spell is mine. All are in my palms to twist it.
You think your darkness is infinite. You think the ancestors sleep while you twist it.
You are not alone.
I am here with you. I am right beside you.
We must fight. Kim, you must fight. And I, Obianoju, will fight. Do not allow her to win us. I will fight and make sure she does not win us, Ike. Can feel my hands. Feel my hands, Ike. My heart. My voice. Your heart. It belongs to you.
That love that is true. That bond that cannot be broken. That is stronger than your craft. Stand aside, Ojuk. Witness the undoing of every spell you cast.
Ancestors of the land.
It is all yours, Ike. You can rise. You can rise and fight for your love. Rise and fight for the bond with.
Witness this injustice. Break the chains of the sick. Free the hearts that have been bound. And restore the love
that is pure.
No! The first must rise. Yes, and the lineage must obey me. If they must obey me, you cannot take him away from me. The blood of my daughters will bend
At my will, the blood of my daughters will bend to my will. Yes, the blood of my daughters will bend to my will. The blood of my daughters will bend to my will. You cannot stop it. Yeah.
Okay.
My love.
Ikem.
You remember us?
You remember me?
Of course. I remember you. For the chains have been broken. And because
Ikem, you are free. The chains are broken. The lies are gone. So is our love. Then you are free. Nothing can touch us again. No one can come in between us again.
may the gods be praised.
Listen. It is not over. No, it is not over. Now! The first may have survived. But now, the bloodline and lineage I still command. Now, I will rise again. Yes, I will rise again. The gods may smile today, but the shadows remain. Yes, they are yet to see what will become of me.
Would you? What Ojugo has done is worse than I imagined. She did not just twist the heart of Ikem, but poison the air that we breathe. Her power grips everything that cross path with it. Your father, your family, even the land seems to bend under it. We are lucky to see her power held, but luck is not only enough.
I know. I felt it, Obina. When I saw Ikem's eyes, I thought he no longer belonged to me. I thought I would lose him forever. And that, even with her power pulling him, he remembered. He remembered me. The love we shared. The bond. Stronger than power. And it made him to know the truth.
Yes. True love is a shield that can never be pierced. But we should not underestimate Ojugo's wrath. Because it will never fade. It will get stronger, and she will target whoever that she fears the most.
Then we must prepare. Ikem, Father, must protect them.
And I will let my mother know that true love can never be controlled. Not by her, not by anyone.
Obidige, my very good friend. My good friend. I have not seen or heard from you for the past 2 market days now. I got worried. I decided to come over and see you. I hope all is well. Obidike. Anyway, I will be on my way. Whenever you need fresh palm wine, you can come to my house. Bye.
Papa. Papa.
Huh?
I see it in your eyes.
You know what Mama is planning.
Yeah. You obey. Tell me the truth. How long have you been controlled by her?
How long have you allowed her to twist our family?
I tried. I swear. I tried. The moment I see her, would you go? My will, my mind, they stop. I tried to reason. I tried to fight them. That the moment her eyes meet mine, I am lost.
Mom.
Fight it. Fight it. Remember your children. Remember your family. The man you swore to be. Do not allow her to keep controlling your life. Your soul. We are here. Together, you can still stand against her. Papa, fight it.
la
all these years. All these times I was blind. I spoke as a man, but I acted as a slave. I was torn away from my daughter's house. Let her magic spell rule my mind, rule my will. But today I stand and protect my children, my family, myself. I will stand.
She twisted my mind. I never wanted him. But now I see love cannot be commanded nor controlled. I will fight it. I will fight. I will fight.
The first must leave. Yes, the first must leave. I poured my blood on that stone. They must do what I have instructed. My command is final. I am Ojugo. I am Ojugo. How dare they disobey me? How dare they? I am in charge of my lineage. My lineage? Yeah, my hands. My bloodline. They should obey my command. I am in charge of my lineage. That lineage belongs to me. What I say is command. They should obey me. How dare they fail to do what I have commanded? Why? Why? They ought to obey me and they must obey me. I am in charge of that lineage. It is my command. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. The first blood.
The ancestors have spoken. The bond you placed on our food and Adanaya has been broken.
Broken? That's impossible. Do you know what I spent on that? I poured blood on each of this spell and the charm. I am in charge. It cannot be broken. Now!
No, Azungo. The ancestors have sealed it. Our hands are tied. We cannot undo what they have decided. It is finished. You will not live by spilling your children's blood, not by offering him.
No. No. It's impossible. I am Ojugo. Wait! Where are they? I am Ojugo. No. I will bring more sacrifices. I will have to leave. Ojugo must not die. I will live. Where are they? Nora. Is it yet?
The evil you plan can never come to to pass. The power of the sisters can never be reversed. No power can shoot true love. No power can pierce it. No matter how to try, what will be must be.